In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Disney Plus server errors after latest update. Let's get started. First, check the server status of Disney Plus. So launch your preferred browser, type in Disney Plus server status, navigate to the website down detector, check whether there are any outages or not. If there are outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. If not, you can follow other steps. So first close and relaunch Disney Plus. Completely exit the app, wait about 15 to 30 seconds, then reopen it. Next, clear cache for the app. Launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, find Disney Plus and launch it. Click on offload app, confirm it, click on reinstall app. Corrupted cache files from previous version can cause server and login errors. Next up, sign out and sign back in. Updates occasionally invalidate stored authentication tokens, leading to service unavailable or server-related errors. Disney specifically recommends restarting your modem, router, or device when troubleshooting streaming and connection issues. Likewise, disable VPNs and proxies. Server and region errors can occur if Disney Plus detects an unexpected location. Lastly, completely delete Disney Plus from your device and reinstall it. Occasionally, an update introduces a bug that is fixed shortly afterward with a follow-up release. Keeping the app updated can resolve these issues. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.